Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Thompson. Now this particular opportunity or make money online review that I'm making is basically for Nigerians. Okay, so if you are not a Nigerian and you are one of my subscriber, I'm sorry, this one is not for you. Okay, so with that being said, I'll be making a review about this particular make money online project that actually just launched on the 7th. Okay, the name of the project is called Meta-data. Okay, so as you can see, the name of the project here is called Meta-data. First and foremost, let me let you know, I'm going to say this in the plain truth. This is a Ponzi scheme, okay? So this business is not a legit business that is made in such a way that is going to last long, okay? I've gone through the website. I've seen everything about this website. I'm not trying to run down the website. I'm not trying to run down this project, but let it be known to you that this is a Ponzi scheme. It's not a project that will last 1 year, 2 years. I'm not even sure this project will last even 2 months, okay? That is just my thought. It's not a financial advice. I'm just saying this from my own thought, from what I've seen about this project. I'm not sure it will last anything more than 2 months. Okay, so but it's a project that can actually make you money, as in very sharp and quick kind of money, right? So as you can see, this is the interface of the website. Okay. So first and foremost, what you need to do is this. As for me, I've actually logged in into this project already. When it brings you here, you're going to see that the interface is well laid out. I like the interface, it's well laid out. Now, these guys say they are into cryptocurrency and they're also into forex trading. They use AI robots to actually trade the forex market, which I'm not very sure about. Okay, I'm not too sure about that. That they actually do trading. Okay, so what you just need to do is this: as soon as you log in, as soon as you sign up, they're going to give you 350 naira bonus. Okay, you're going to be having this bonus, 350 naira bonus. So it's not withdrawable. So I should just let that known to you that this 350 naira bonus is not withdrawable. You can only withdraw it after you must have deposited money with them and you've made money. Okay, you deposit with them and you've made money up to 1,000 naira. The least you can actually withdraw from this website is 1,000 naira. Okay, so quickly let me show you the packages they have. You can see the list of the package they have is 3,000 naira, and you're expected to earn this for 3 months, which is 90 days, right? And you are to earn 11% of this 3,000 naira daily, which is 330 naira. Okay, you have to earn 330 naira every day. The next one is 5,000 naira. You have to earn 12% every day, which is 600 naira every day, and you have to earn it for 3 months. And the investment is 5,000 naira, like I rightly said, 5,000 naira. So let's say if you are to go with this, in less than 10 days, you must have made your money out. Okay, you must have made your capital, and if the website continues to run, anything you'll be making after that will just be pure profit. Okay, so that is it about that. Then the other one, they have 10,000. Okay, now for me, if you ask me, the risk capital you should do is to do something from 10,000 naira to 3,000 naira if you want to maximize your profits. Or you can also do even more than that if you know you have a risk appetite that you can actually manage or afford to lose anything more than 10,000 naira. Okay, because in this kind of a project, the issue is this: you should be able to invest anything that you know that you are comfortable of losing. Okay, now in as much as this kind of a project is very high in risk, is also very profitable. I've invested in this kind of a project that I made a whole lot of money. Okay, for some of them, you believe that in like 10-15 days they'll be out of space, but some will last even longer, like 3-4-5 months. Okay, and in that you're going to make a whole lot of money. Okay, so that is it about that. And one other thing I want you to know is this: this kind of a project, the earlier you join, the better it is. Like this one just launched on the 7th, and today I'm making this video is 9th. Okay, it's 10th, so it's still very fresh. But anything from 15th upward, is for me is late. Okay, so you should be very wary of that. Okay, now you can see they have the package down to 1 million naira, so they're expecting somebody to put in 1 million naira into this project. Okay, and the person will be earning 210,000 naira every day. Well, if you have that risk appetite, you can go ahead and do that. Okay. Um, all I've said is not even a financial advice. I'm just saying what I feel about my own. So I'm not giving you any financial advice, okay? But you should do whatever you feel is okay for you. Okay, so if you invest, like I already told you, when you earn up to 1,000 naira, you can actually make withdrawal. Like if you click in here now, you can see here you can make your withdrawal here. You just put in your bank details and you can make your withdrawal. Okay, so you can see first and foremost, before you're able to make your withdrawal, you should be able to bind your account first with this website. So you're going to click on this bind. Okay, you're going to put your name here, you're going to put your account number here. Okay, and you're going to choose your bank here. Okay, you just choose the bank that you're going to be using here. Okay, and you click on submit. Now when you click on submit, then it means that your account has been binded with this website already. So whenever you just come and you click on withdraw here, you just put in the amount and you click on withdraw, the money is going to go through. Okay, so that is how the website actually work. Okay, so let me just quickly show you, let me quickly show you something else. Okay, you can see it also has a referral program. It has a referral program. On this referral here, then you copy your referral link and you share it with others. Okay, when you share your referral link is another opportunity or avenue for you to actually make money from this platform. Okay, now if you have issue in regards to your withdrawal or anything, all you just need to do is to contact them on Telegram. Okay, let me show you how you're going to contact them on Telegram. This is the support. Okay, you click on this support here. When you click on support here, this is going to bring you to their Telegram here. This is their Telegram. You can see metadata official, so you can contact them here on Telegram. Okay, all you just need to do is to click on here their profile up here. Okay, you can see when you click on this metadata support here, when you click here, you click here, then you'll be able to chat with them. Okay, so you can see it's easy for you to actually have discussion with them. Okay, so that is my review about this project. If you're going to be investing in this project, please make sure you join early now and make your money and get out of the project before anything happens. Okay, because I know I've gone through this project. I know they are not actually trading forex. It's a quick rich kind of a project. It's a Ponzi scheme. Okay, now, if you got value from this video, I'm going to ask you to please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question or you want to talk to me directly, the link is going to be in the description. I will encourage you to actually join my Telegram group. My Telegram channel is right there in the description, and you can also chat me on Telegram or whichever way you want. All my details is in the description of the video. Okay, do take care of yourself and bye bye.